So today I'll be showing you how to create widget stacks on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So widget stacks are basically 2 or 3 or even 4 widgets occupying the same space on your home screen. So for instance, I have this widget here. So I can find another widget of this size and shape and stack them together so that they occupy the same space, so that I don't have too many widgets crowding up the home screen. So what you need to do, once you have that widget, just long press on the widget and you should see the option create stack. So tap on that, and then now you can see in each category they're going to be, or there may be widgets that match that size. So you can see this one, and then we have this one for the battery. If we go into digital well-being, we have this one. These are all the same size. So let me add this one, for instance. Okay, tap on it and then tap on add. So you can see it's been stacked on top of the other widget. Now all I have to do is scroll. Now I can even long press again and then tap on edit stack and add another widget. So if I scroll to the end, I can tap on that and then find another widget like this one for battery, tap on it and add, and now I have 3 widgets. So now if I just swipe, I can swipe through my 3 widgets that are occupying the same real estate space on my home screen. So that is basically how to stack widgets on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.